For the book folding craft, you will only need a few simple items to get started. First, you will choose from one of the books provided for you, along with a ruler, a template sheet, and a sharp pencil. Once you have your book in hand, go ahead and remove any excess paper that may be stuck on the inside of the book flaps. You may also choose to glue down the first and last blank pages of the book to help cover any blemishes. Next, flip the book open to where the first sticky note is located, but do not remove it. This will be where you begin marking and then folding the 67 pages to create a three-dimensional heart design. For this video, I have already gone ahead and pre-marked several pages. To create the markings on each page, you will use the provided template that lists the measurement marks for each page. There are a total of 67 pages, with each page requiring 2 measurement marks. The measurements provided on the template are in centimeters, not inches, so make sure you are using the correct side of the ruler to measure. To begin making your marks, turn your book sideways and begin measuring your marks. Do not measure from the edge of the ruler, but rather from the first black line. Otherwise, your measurements will be off. It is helpful to cross out each page you have completed as you go, as it will help keep track of where you are in the measuring process. After you are done with your first fold, you will continue this process until you have marked the measurements for all 67 pages. For this video, I will skip towards the end of the book and demonstrate how to measure and mark the last remaining pages. Once you have reached the last page that is marked with a sticky note, make sure you have measured out all 67 pages. If you are short, simply continue using pages until you have all 67. If you have extra pages, just tuck them behind the last page you have marked and place the sticky note behind this last page. Now you will start the process of folding in the book pages to each mark you have measured out. You will simply fold in each side of the page, align it with the mark, and then fold flat as shown in the video. This process will repeat for all 67 pages, each requiring 2 folds aligned with the 2 marks you have made in previous steps. As you work through your pages, you will begin to see the three-dimensional heart design take shape. After you have completed the last folds on the last page, you can now stand your book upright and display your beautiful 3D design. We hope you have enjoyed following along with this craft. Thanks for watching.